Trading 212 just added a new feature that a ton of people have been asking for. Privacy mode. You don't know what that is? Well, in a few minutes, I'll break everything down for you. Have you ever been on a train, at work, in a coffee shop, or any public place really? You've picked up your phone, you've checked your portfolio, and then you've thought to yourself, I don't really want everyone seeing how much I have in my account. If that's the case, then this update is for you. Trading 212 have now added a visual privacy mode to the app. It hides all the sensitive information, but it still functions like normal. And best of all, it's super simple to use. It's one of those updates that sounds small, but in practice it's really effective. I'm one of those people that still travel to work in the morning, and of course I'm traveling during rush hour. I like to check the markets when they open. Of course, I'm usually surrounded by numerous members of the public, but with this function, I'm able to hide sensitive information and still check all the things I want to. And it's not just traveling in public. Perhaps you want to share your investments with someone, but you don't really want to show them exactly how much you have. Or you want to take a screenshot and put it in a group. You can easily hide that information now. Or perhaps you're creating content. With a flick of a wrist, you can turn all the sensitive information off. Simple. Now let me show you how to turn this on. If you hit the menu button and then scroll down to settings, if you click the privacy and security, at the bottom you should see an option that says flip to hide balances. And how exactly do you activate it? Well, it's exactly as it says. You just flick your screen and you should see your balance now blurred out. Personally, I think this is a really nice feature, especially for someone like me that's always traveling with the public and someone who creates content, because it will save me a bit of time when I'm editing. It's simple, quick to turn on, and genuinely useful. It's one of those set it and forget it features. A nice, quick video because I know some of you may have missed this update. And if you wanted more tips on how to use Trading 212, I have a video right here where I'll go over 17 tips to help you maximize your gains. And on that note, I'll catch you in the next one, guys.